Yeah, you don't know. Name Blacker Than. Real name Renroy OGs. Don't know. Big up to all the fans them. I'm the $3 bread man. Originally from Maricot. But I grew up in Trinidad. When I was like 6 months, I went to Trinidad. And I came back when I was 18, you know. I grew up most of my life down in Trinidad. Came back here really to see my dad, and I ended up staying to really do music. You know, I really like how the art form is in Grenada, and I realized that Grenadians have potential, and Grenada on a whole have a potential range about it, and I just realized it. Yeah, we're gonna I'll stay Grenada, do music, big up Grenada, because this is where I'm from, this is my blood, this is where my whole intent of music came from Talpree go right back, you know, Spectre Jamo, you don't know, and that's the thing still. My cousin is Mr. Killer, you know. I had a different way of singing, you know. When I came here, like I get different influences, you know, a kind of niceness from a Jamo, you know, the kind of roughness from, you know, like different artists, you know, build me to be the person I am today. And I should say that Talpree, you know, Talpree, I stay in Trinidad and watch Talpree on stage and say that that's a good artist, you know, and he came down Trinidad and do his thing, you know, and always wanted to be on that, you know, level and things, so do music and that. 2007 was the first year I did a collaboration. I should say I featured Soca Banton, my first single. The name was I Am Carnival. You know, the Real Vibes, it went on our international CD. After that I kind of laid back. I did music last year, but it didn't really, I wasn't really here, you know, and the vibes was so-so. You know, this year I really make up my mind, you're going on Blacker. You're going to do things this year on a serious level, take the thing serious. Go on a rhythm, boom, I say you're going on $3 bread. Listen, put on the vibes nice, you know, the response nice so far. Big up to all the fans them. Thank you very much. You know, you encourage me to do more music for you all. I'm down to this morning, I get a message from a friend in London telling me, he's a DJ, telling me really pushing the music on radio stations about that tune. It's a big tune in London. Big up to all the fans them. Thank you very much and thanks for the encouragement.
Where is your bakery?
The ladies them know, man. The ladies
Talk to the ladies, they want to know where your bakery is. Tell them so they could come, when they could come and get the bread.
They know where the bakery is, man. Ladies know where the bakery is. Remember I told you, I said in the song that the ladies checking me. So therefore I don't need to tell the ladies where the bakery is. The ladies already know the bakery is because all of them checking me for the bread, you know. Thank you, bread. And for the fellas them that selling the 10 cents bread and whatnot and thing, don't ignore as if that the bread is selling, don't ignore as if that is what the ladies tell me, they don't like that bread. So I just say what the ladies say. Don't watch me and Ben, vex to the ladies then. Don't vex to the guy. Well, honestly, I would not say we're perfect, you know. We need some work, but we have potential. A lot of other places take ideas from here because we have a rawness about the vibes, you know, and they take ideas. But we just need some work in production and quality to some extent, you know. We have good quality, but we need a little more work, you know, to that extent. But to me, I find Grenada are one of the best socas to say like vibes. When you say vibes, you hear Grenada soca, you get pure vibes, you know. The recording could be a little better, you know, it could be a little better in the production. But I like Grenada music and I want to be like one of the persons to really take it further. To the younger artists coming up, you know, and you want to really do things, I willing to tell you, I really take a long while to bust. And to tell the truth, once you believe in yourself and don't let nobody bring you down. Don't let nobody bring you down. Just believe in yourself and just let people hear you. Put yourself in a position that people could hear you and people could seek an interest in you, because it's really hard right now to do things by yourself, really. You know, you need a little push. You know, you can't just stay in your corner and say, I bad, you know. You need a little push, so let people hear you, don't stay in your corner, and try your best to be as much as lyrical as possible. Nothing kinda hard in my country, so I open a bakery. And this is not funny. I invest my last money, and they get me customers. I make a bread up big and long, and the bread is $3. So all the girls them sat around. Because that's some fellas are selling the hops bread. But the girls don't like that bread. And the fellas are selling the cut up sandwich loaf. The girls don't like that bread. When the fellas are selling the hot dog bread, boy, the girls don't like that bread. And the burger bread too. You see that bread? Tell all the street. Girls don't like that bread. All them girls them checking me. Hey, they want me $3 bread. All them girls them flocking me. Boom. They love me $3 bread. All them girls them checking me. Why? They want me $3 bread, and all them girls them flocking me. Boom! So me look and me tell them bread in the morning, bread in the night, bread on the left side, bread on the right, bread for your daughter, bread for your wife, bread what she want and bread what she like. Bread in the morning, bread in the night, bread on the left side, bread on the right, bread for your daughter, bread for your wife, bread what she want and bread what she like. Now check me, they checking me. Watch all them girls them checking me. And flock me, they flocking me. All them girls them flocking me. Hey, check me, they checking me. Watch all them girls them checking me. And flock me, they flocking me. All them girls them flocking me. Boom, make me the artist. They don't know.